Hello, friends, and hello, dear teachers. I would like to tell you that it gives me immense pleasure when I get or when I see your views. And this time, I have crossed my views more than 1,000. So it definitely has encouraged me, and today I have brought a new function that is concatenate. So concatenate means Concatenate means if you want to add multiple strings, then you must use concatenate function. So we are coming to our sheet, the Google Sheet. So if you see here, so we have multiple columns that is admission number, class, section, name, then column E, column F, column G, column H. So the titles and or header names are split 1, split 2, split 3, and split 4. So this have been done due to the split function which we had done earlier. And this time I am going to use concatenate function. So how to use concatenate function along with the length function? What I want to do here, I want to create an email ID which is unique. So this should be the composition of the admission number. This would be the composition of admission number and primary name and the secondary name. Secondary name I'll use when the length of the first name is less than 3. So how to apply this function, that we'll see in this video. So let's start. So this I'm zooming in 125. Okay, fine. And now come to the cell, appropriate cell. This is the email cell where I want to create the email ID which should be unique and using the admission number and the first name. If the length of the first name is less than 3, then it will use the F column to create the email ID. So equal concatenate, and here column A2 comma length of E2, meaning the first name length. If less than 3, then it will take the column F as the ID name, that is F2, otherwise E2, followed by F2. Yes, okay, okay. Followed by at the rate domain name xyz.com and double quotes and close the parenthesis. And here I have observed that there is some error. And what is this error? I have to remove this. If I'm sorry, if I want to use it, if the length of E2 is less than 3, then it should take if the length of if the length of E2 the length of E2 is less than 3, then it will take F2 as ID name otherwise E2, and simply press enter here. It gives some problem here. So what is the problem? Concatenate, yes, A2, and if the length of E2 is less than 3, then F2, otherwise, comma, which parenthesis is missing? One, yes, this parenthesis, I think there is parenthesis missing. Concatenate, एक parent, one. Is length of here, okay. So this way I have applied the formula and got the appropriate result. And if I want to copy in rest of the rows, I'll set the cursor on blit and the cursor turns into plus and drag it down. This way I have copied the formula in all the rows. And this way I have created the unique user ID using concatenate function and the length as well. So over here, this gives you, or this checks whether the length of the name is less than 3. If the length of less than 3, then it will take the F column, otherwise it will take the E column. And this is a domain name. And here you will observe this way, I have created the unique user ID. Hope this method you like it. And if you like the method or if you like the function, kindly comment. And if you have if you face or if you suggest any improvisation in the command, kindly comment also. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.